I just received my order from Temu. As a pro makeup artist, I do order stuff from sites like these. I just wanted to show you what I picked up this week. These are disposable table covers. Basically what these are, when you look them up online, they're covers for tattoo stations, for massage tables. And I get these because sometimes when I show up to locations for work, the tables that we're working on, I don't have time to clean them and I'm looking for a clean surface to work off of, so I'll bring a disposable tablecloth. Also, sometimes I don't want my bag on someone's kitchen counter or tabletop that might be valuable, so I like to put an extra covering on there just in case I spill anything. So I get these cloths to bring with me in my kit. I usually pack 1 or 2 depending on where I'm working. Next up, we have dental bibs. I'm sure you've seen a lot of makeup artists have these out on their station. I just like the white ones because it looks clean. One side is usually water resistant, so that's great if you spill anything. This is what I set up under the main area where I'm going to be putting the products I'm using on my clients, brushes, things like that. And I usually will change them out between each client. So this is a really inexpensive way to keep your station nice and clean, tidy, and hygienic. This is a case that I ordered for my hair kit. All of my bobby pins and clips and elastics will fit in here. I ordered one of these from Temu already. It fits everything perfectly. I needed a second one for some of my bigger hair clips, so that's what this one is for. I saw these and I had to try them. They're like bootleg pawpaw sponges. I can already tell they're nothing like the original, but I was so curious and they were so inexpensive. I will find a use for them, but I don't think from the feel of them they're going to be as good as the original, but you know, sometimes these things work out and sometimes they don't. Next up, disposable hand palettes. I'm a person that really likes to work off the back of my hand. I use these to work off instead. These, I think if you search them up, some sites have them as hand palettes. A lot of them call them tattoo bandages. They're just a clear transparent film. This size though is the 3x3 inch. The 2 inch is too small for me. On my size hand, the 3x3 is perfect to cover my hand. And I find sometimes I'll use 2 or 3 of these per client, depending on what I'm doing. Next thing I picked up are these tiny triangle puffs. They're mini puffs. They're not the full size. Sometimes the full size is just too big. I give out these in my touch-up kits as well, and I just like this size for my applications. I do not like this color. The color bothers me. I wish it was a lighter pink, but these ones were very inexpensive, and I go through so many of these. And these ones, I just find my clients love receiving them, so I'll use them during the application, and then I just gift them to my clients when I'm done. These are excellent.